Hey everybody, it's so nice to see you. Well, I was talking to my ma the other day and she said, Jim, have I got the recipe for you? I just made it at home and I love it so much. So you know what? I asked for her to tell me more about it, and it's called a Sloppy Joe Cornbread Bake. I love Sloppy Joes and I love cornbread. Let's make it now. Grab a bowl. Jiffy muffin mix, you know I love my Jiffy. A can of cream corn. 2 eggs. Half cup of milk and a cup of cheese. Mix that together. I'm pouring this into a baking dish and I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to fry up a pound of ground meat. Next, I add some manwich, bold. I'm going to spread this Sloppy Joe on top of that partially baked cornbread. Then add more cheese. Make it rain. Then I'll bake it for another 20 minutes. Sloppy Joe Cornbread Bake. Here it is. Let's give it a try. It's incredible. Very bold. Gotta love that Jiffy. Thanks, Ma, for this great suggestion. And I'll see you all next time. A truck full of Vicks Vapor Rub overturned on the highway. There was no congestion for 8 hours.